What's up, y'all? It's your girl Malysia Simone, but you can call me Professor Slay, and welcome back to my channel where I teach the girls how to represent their best self. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this exact look with a soft pink Hollywood glam look that I did for my birthday. If you're interested, keep watching. So starting out with a 613 HD custom unit from my hair company, Shop SuhLAYYED. Let's get into them tiny knots. Where are they at? You can't see them. The lace is so thin, it's going to melt in my skin. So there's no cast that you usually get from that like 613 on chocolate skin. Then I'm going right in with my dusty rose. I'm going to do a watercolor method with hot water, filling up a small bowl. And here I am. The color is kind of thick, so I showed you guys that this is how mine was. I don't know if it's right, but this is what it was. I mixed it up in there, got it really like this plum color in the water. And I started with the ends. My goal was to get the ends more saturated and have the roots lighter. So like kind of like a ombre transitional color. So I started to get the ends really saturated. I'm moving the hair around in the water. As you see, as I dip the hair in, the water gets lighter. The wig is super thick. I used 3 bundles of 16-inch from my hair company and a 13x4 HD 613 Frontals. So it's super thick. It's dense, honey. But I'm just repeating the process until I get the desired color, making the water dark again, dipping the wig in, and this was my desired result: light at the top, dark at the bottoms. And to wash the hair, I used the whole Aussie Moist line, and then ending off with the 3-minute miracle. And the hair is super like soft and luscious, as you see. Boom, that's what it looks like. Here is my air dried wig, just to keep the heat out the wig because it is super blonde, super processed hair. I didn't want to put extra heat damage in the hair or extra damage to the hair. Showing you how like transparent this lace is. Going in with my blow dryer with my metal inside comb. It's going to make sure that heat is channeled. A hot comb. My favorite curler is the 3-inch Conair from Target. A detangling brush, my Keratin Smooth heat protectant, again to protect the hair from over processing. And my Keratin Smooth, it's lightweight. I love it. It's one of my favorite serums for wigs. Just saturate it. Once again, the wig is super thick, so making sure that I have enough to get all over the hair. Blow dry her out. I'm gonna go ahead and part her in the side part because I think that's most flattering for my face shape. Personally, going in with my wax stick, and at the root of the part, I'm going to just put it in there, focusing at the root of the hair around the whole entire hairline. Going in with my hot comb, and slowly, it looks fast because I sped up the video, but I'm slowly getting those roots flat, shaping the hair out to what I want. Now I'm just going to make sure that back track has enough coverage. Going over it, hot combing it, not flat ironing it. Going at the bang side, the whole thing needs to be slicked in formation. So get the whole thing super flat and shaped. Parting the hair into 4 sections, taking the bang out of the way. Taking the other half, parting it behind the ear, and tucking that away, and splitting the hair right down the middle so that I can curl the hair as easy as possible and the curls will fall correctly. As you can see, like all the hair that's actually in the wig. Go ahead and hot comb the root and take my Conair curler and curl the hair. Pull it out. And I'm going to let the curls cool, pinned up. This This is going to keep the curls lasting long. When I tell you guys, I did not curl this hair for like a week and a half. Alright, so here we go. I sprayed with some Got To Be. Here's my bald head. Embarrassing. Taking my Got To Be and spraying my hairline. Taking my 3-in-1 edge comb from SuhLAYYED, my blow dryer, and smoothing my hair back. Trying to get it as straight and as flat as possible with these raggedy braids, child. But, child, gotta get it done regardless. Alright, so this is what it looks like. All the hair slicked back and it's hard, so the glue won't get on it. Taking my wig cap, pulling it over my face like I'm finna rob a bank. This one was a bit small. I have a small head, so it was very small. But cutting out my eyes and my ears so that the cap can lay flush to my head. And I'm taking my cream foundation and I'm going over all the spaces where the lace is showing. So the whole 13x4 in the front of my head, that's what I wanted to cover in this foundation. I like this one because it has no oil, it's matte, and it doesn't mess up my glue. There is my Lay It Down lace adhesive from SuhLAYYED. I'm going over the perimeter of my hairline. Very thin. It looks like a lot, but it's really not, because the glue is white. I'm taking that spatula part of my edge comb and smoothing it out, spraying the Got To Be in the back of it just to further protect my hair. Blasting with the blow dryer till it turns clear. And I'm taking my eyebrow scissors and I'm cutting very close. They're super sharp and they get a super like flat look to your bald cap, like bald cap not even there. The key is to make sure that your hair and the glue and the Got To Be spray is absolutely dry. Do not rush this process if you want a really good bald cap. That's what's going to help your hair be protected and your lace to last long. I tie the extra stuff in the back, and you see here I'm going over the white spots where the glue is a little bit thicker at. Then I'm taking my alcohol and cleaning up the Got To Be in the extra foundation so that doesn't mess up the glue. Put on that wig. It's giving grandma, but I'm gonna pluck it. I haven't plucked it this whole entire time. I just need to pluck that one part, so that shows that SuhLAYYED's lace is pre-plucked, especially our HD lace. So period. I'm cutting right in front of my ear on both sides, and then I'm going to take the wig off, and then I'm going to cut until I get to the frontal. That's how you get your ears out. I'm taking some foundation. My husband was talking to me. There you go. It is tinted. I'm trying to show y'all how much it matches my skin now. You can't see the lace. You cannot see the lace. Get into it, okay? Period. Now I'm taking my razor and slowly just slicing at it. HD lace is so soft and delicate. Like, you can literally like tap it and rip it. You can cut off a couple of hairs. It does not matter. Just don't cut completely into your lace. But it's so easy. A lot of my videos I accidentally was out of frame. So this is a really good clip of what it looks like to actually cut the lace off and what it looks like. What lace, y'all? Come on now. I don't think that I will be going back to transparent 613s ever, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna slide it back and I'm gonna take my lace adhesive again and I'm gonna dot it and I'm gonna smooth it out. I'm gonna repeat this 3 to 5 times depending on how long you want it to stay, how active your lifestyle is, if you're going to the gym, if you sweat a lot, if you have oily skin. I think I did about 5 times because my daughter's birthday was right after mine. I had to work. I did not feel like having to redo my hair, and the wig was on my head for about 3-4 weeks. Now I'm going to take it and stretch it over the lace and softly press it into the glue after the glue has turned clear. And just work my way around the hairline. Get into how crispy like that looks. Like, come on. I'm taking my even spray and just spraying a little bit. Doesn't matter which even spray you use, just use the even spray because it's good. I'm taking my SuhLAYYED belt, my SuhLAYYED milk belt, holding down my ear tabs and securing it in the back, taking out my pinned curls. This part was boring, so I'm just skip to it done. Now, I forgot my camera died, so I didn't close out the video, but here I am on my birthday about to get my makeup done by my girl Sheen Beauty Studio. If you're an RVA, you already know the vibes. Book my girl. And we're back. And my makeup's done. And I'm looking cute. My hair's... Okay, you guys, so I made it to dinner. This outfit was not the outfit of choice. I look too good to be at home, you feel me? But we just made it to Fleming's. They gave me a cute card, happy birthday card. I'll give you guys an outfit, but it's like a bodysuit. It's so cute. I think I like this better than what I was gonna wear. But my hair's done, everything. Do you have any birthday wishes?
First, happy birthday. You know what we always say: more life, more love, more success.
Period. Off the dome. He didn't know he was gonna speak today, guys. But happy birthday.
You got the camera on with my grill like